It's recording right now. She don't even know what she doing, y'all. She be talking about she know how to work this camera. What's up, B?
Girl, bye. Alright, so you work the camera then. That's your job.
Okay, hold on, sis. Hold on. So she acting like she know what she doing. She don't know what she doing.
I do.
But
I always know what I'm doing.
we having a girls trip. We about to turn up. It's about to be lit, period. And you're so bad.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, so we're on our way to Puerto Rico. We outside.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Wait, let me get you.
Okay. Say hi, Sally. Hey guys.
Second time in Puerto Rico.
Yes.
It's my 6th time in Puerto Rico.
Okay. I think you're Puerto Rico.
I know, right? My brother was like, I'm over you. Like, you might as well just be a native now.
You're done. No more PR.
No, I'm actually going to get in August.
You're ridiculous.
No, because it's a bachelorette party, so.
Okay.
Yes.
I am
See it.
Puerto Rico now.
Puerto Rico, we done.
Boys.
The big boys.
Okay. Say what's up.
Hey guys, it's recording?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, we just landed in Puerto Rico. We outside, period. It's lit.
Yes. Come on.
We outside.
Alright, y'all. So we are in Puerto Rico.
We are in Puerto Rico.
With
This is me and LaSalle, second time here. This is me is like,
million times.
yeah, third time here. We enjoyed ourselves the last time, so we had to do it again.
Yes.
Let's off the plane.
We out here.
We out here. Okay, so let's get into the protective style, right? Tell me what you got.
So I got, you know, man bag basically, tailbone, right up in the booty land. I got large, medium size.
Large.
Let's get into it.
Oh, he's here. The guy's here. Come on, let's go.
Be like, ain't nobody tell you to switch. You have lotion.
Do I have? Yeah, I have lotion. You want to know?
For my hands.
Yeah. Guys,
Yeah.
we're doing this again, and it's about to be lit.
Fourth time.
Woo!
And then I'm going again in August and my fifth time. Be a PR expert. Level 5 PR expert. Us walking in. It's recording. It should be.
All right, look, all of our shit is packed up here. Do we have to use a code or something?
Yeah, I'm about to.
All right.
Okay, we're at the B&B. We're about to have different angles because why not? We're entering the humble road.
Not less. Oh shit, I forgot I was recording.
Period.
All right, here we are. Ooh, oh, this is so cute. I like this little setup. Ooh, oh my god. This is beautiful.
That never gotta sweat that. You could bet 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 that never gotta sweat that.
Are you getting a record?
Look at her. Don't play with her. Okay.
I'm back.
Okay, period. Do what it's supposed to do.
Okay.
Do what it's supposed to do. Get what it's supposed to do.
Alright.
Okay, so I don't drink beer. So I'm taking a shot.
And it's so good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes. Arriba! Period. It wasn't good?
So last time I was here, I was having some empanadas by
But the
myself.
Hennessy and everything was like,
Oh,
Hennessy.
bro, we were drinking.
Like 2 hours before. Like jalapenos, bro.
that shit tastes like.
Boy, me soon left. Come get this playboy money like you have.
Yes. Get into it.
Yes. So we're going to the beach today.
Then that's mine. Oh, let's tell them again. Yeah.
We're going to the beach today. But be outside. Oh my gosh, wait, this smells so good.
Yeah.
Come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real. When they pre knowing I lie for you, thinking I die for you.
DJ, we outside the party, yeah, yeah. If you really want it, baby, you know what I want.
Tell me where's your location, where you come from, you shut the whole. Give me what you need, I know what you like.
Yeah. Don't play with them. Yeah, let me see. Here, Liz. What you watch the video?
Period. Don't mess with her.
We're coming back from the beach.
Don't.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua.
Get ready, and that's it.
She was Persian eyes, turning up. Oh, we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time.
Okay.
I'm no party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no.
He's like, take it straight. Alright, you're gonna
Push the button.
no, it's on already. You can say hi.
Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lotion. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me.
Ladies, let me see.
He says he's gonna go for his birthday.
Hi guys, so we're at this. Let's give it VIP only, period. Say hi. Say hi to my camera. Oh my god, that's my sister. We're the same. We're in Puerto Rico. What? I'm 19. I'm living life. What? Youngest in charge, period.
You said you want a taco. I'm thinking maybe
Back to food place.
chicken.
This is where we are. Looking at food.
You get a burger?
I don't know what I'm getting, honestly. I don't know. What am I getting?
STK.
Now all these people that haven't talked to me all whole year want to be. Yeah, I don't know you.
And
I
you?
don't know you.
I'm always to myself. No.
It's my time, so put me on a replay.
Cam, say hi. Hey.
My bay is my bay.
Everybody trapping, we get lotion. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the
But we keep going up this
outside. We outside. We're currently in Walgreens right now. I'm about to get some lip gloss because we came on this trip and didn't get any. I just want like a nice lip gloss, nothing too much. You know, one of those ones you could pick up at the, I'm sorry I'm holding y'all like this, y'all, like I'm trying to get it together, but I really, okay, let me hold it like this. Yeah, so I'm looking for some lip gloss to get right now. I just want something simple, nothing serious. I'm trying to look like what they have. I'm not seeing like the ones, you know, that jump out to you when you at the dollar store type of thing. That's what I'm looking for, but I'm not seeing it. But I think this whole aisle is for the lip gloss. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all later. See, look, I'm dropping shit. Let me turn this off.
If you turn it this way, what? It looks so good. Hey y'all.
Good thing you're later on the road.
Okay, so we outside.
We outside.
It's peak hour. We're about to go to Luquillo.
Yes.
Luquillo. We're going to the beach, baby.
They waving the ice cream at us. Like, that's crazy. Man, that's crazy.
I got ice cream for you.
It's crazy.
Come sit in my car, sweetheart.
Y'all, so we waiting for our Uber. Why some man just literally waved his ice cream at us. Like, I ain't never been called like that. Look, that's crazy. So we're in the car, in the Uber, on our way to Luquillo. So we have a little bit of a drive. 34 minutes. So that's what we're doing. We're really excited. We're gonna get some drinks, some good food. The weather is beautiful. We're looking good. We're beautiful, all of us. So y'all gonna get into, you know, the little outfits once we get there. With little bathing suits because we did what it did. We understood the assignment every time. We definitely every time. So yeah, on our way. Okay, finish it. Finish the heart. Wait. My whole nipple. Yeah.
What does it sound like?
Your favorite
Just tell me, girl, sing, yeah, yeah. Doesn't it sound like that?
No.
Okay, no, never mind.
Period. Let me see it now. Yeah.
Bro, so I got you and Janine one of these towels. Let me know if you like it.
Fully charged up. He got fi kill a man, I the gang fi me gang pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place getting noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. I be lane, pan the lane in the street, pan the main in the buck, man, Jesus.
Look at the water. Beach babe, it's the beach babe. Oh my god, I miss the water so much. You guys don't even know. I need to wrap my hair up. Ooh. Ugh. Why? No.
Bro, come on, what are you doing?
What you said? Hey.
She really thought she ate. Let him see.
For real, let me tell you, I was really crazy. What's really crazy is these two don't want to get on the jet ski. That's what's crazy. They don't want to get on the jet ski.
I know. I didn't say I didn't want to get. I want to get on it, but you're driving.
Yo, they keep laughing. They gonna end up in a PRER on my foot.
Like, they over here, it's disinfected. I went to the nail salon, fucked up my toe, and because of that, my toe is fucking hurting. On camera, what you gotta say?
Hey, this is like one of the best vacations ever.
Period. What you gotta say to the camera?
What I gotta say?
Yo, she mad annoying. I'm not even recording her. Man, that's crazy. Man, that's crazy. Man, that's crazy, y'all. Let me tell you. Oh shit. Let me tell y'all. Let me. Bro, leave me alone. Bro, you. Man, that's crazy. What? What's crazy? Crazy. That shit crazy. I don't even think we recorded this whole time.
Are you serious? Did we? I don't know. I didn't even record it.
No, you gave it to me late.
I got double. Hold on. Let me make sure y'all can see. Y'all can see? Yeah.
What's your favorite cuss
What's your favorite cuss word? I mean, she's not even paying attention. She's done a.
We're getting some plantains. We're getting mozzarella sticks.
Hold on.
We're getting mozzarella sticks, plantain, and food. I'm getting chicken, rice and beans. Yes. So we are enjoying our trip here in PR. Period. If you decide that you want to travel, PR should be like the first place that you want to go to because you don't need a passport.
Yeah.
So, and you'll have lots and lots of fun.
Period. And what's your favorite cuss word?
Having fun. To be honest, for real, y'all would probably hate me. Y'all would probably hate me because I am not the blur. Is it blurry? Is it blurry? Okay. Because I am not the best vlogger there is. Because I just be enjoying my time, enjoying the trip. But I'm trying to get as much footage as possible so I can give it to y'all. But right now we're at another place, so let's soak up in the food. And we
honestly think this is the last place that we went to. When we first came here, we were looking for it earlier, but we ended up going to another seafood place that's down, like more down. It was good, but they took forever with the food. But we had fun on the beach. We met some people. It was usual. Yeah, so we're gonna go back, chill out, pregame, and then go out again tonight. I want pictures tonight. I didn't get pictures of my outfit last night, but we was like, so we'll see. I think I got some private pictures on the beach though. Yeah, but she looking mad, like she got an attitude. Ask her what's wrong, camera. What's wrong, camera? She eating mozzarella sticks.
Why you on my face?
Cause me and the camera was just talking about you this whole time.
What? What y'all got to say, bro? What y'all got to say?
We said what we had to say, and that's it. That's all. Yo, we really thought we was taking footage on different things, and I don't even think we was taking footage like that. Because LaSalle don't know how to press, make sure the on button is on, okay?
No. Look. The girl who got all the camera skills don't know what's going on with the camera.
Yes! I love it. Yes. The other one looks like it. I thought so too. Okay, so we're in the Uber right now with our friend. Hola, mommy. I was saying hi. Like I was saying, you're my friend. Our friend, yeah. Hi. Yeah, that's our friend, y'all. We're in the Uber right now. You can't see us, so you cannot see us. But we're going to La Placita. Until they close, until we get kicked out. Yeah. So we're gonna have a good night, right? We're gonna have a good night. Everything got their coats. Of course. So it's about to be lit. Y'all don't do me for this camera right now, cause I'm acting mad crazy. Guys, what? Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, that's just crazy. That's not. Ooh, I just spilled this all over. That's crazy. Cause this is blue. Hey, yo. Now you think it's gonna stain? Hold this.
It's not gonna stain.
Are you sure? I just spilled this whole thing on me.
Well, you're gonna have to wait till we get out. What we gonna use?
I don't know. To clean it up. Let me just see a flashlight to make sure it's not staining. Okay, hold on. I would be like, yo, that's real cool. No, it's not staining. Yeah, I knew it was gonna stain. Oh. Y'all saw that, right? That wasn't you better drink. That wasn't even me. Now I'm about to be sticky. Drink. Hey, yo. Tell somebody to rub it off. Hey, yo. I'd be like, I'm sticky. Can you fix that? Oh, vodka, bro. We sounded like them girls we met today. Yo, you was really still recording. What is wrong?
First of all, you're the one recording out here. What girls today?
The ones. See you do it. I will. You have a good night. You definitely. Where is he from, though?
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in.
No, this way. Y'all, we at La Placita.
Ready? Come. Ready? One more time. Ready?
Cause we lit already. It's lit on the spot, you see? Period. We outside. Ain't nothing more to it. Nothing else, nothing less. Period. What we got? Now us looking for our Uber. Oh my god. Bitch, we lit as fuck.
No.
Yo, I didn't. When did they keep your fucking spills to yourself? I didn't do that shit on purpose, Lizzo.
I don't care.
I'm crying.
It was a silence for me. Yeah, it was a silent. That's all I heard.
Alright. She loves saying, mm-mm. Liddy in the spot coming back to the house, and you know, we about to drop. Going to the beach, let's go to play. Wait, y'all, I sound like I'm dead. I've been having a good ass time on vacation, as I should. But yeah.
Nobody on the beach.
So we're gonna get food. This is the outfit.
Let him get the right computer.
Look at her.
Back out on the town. Oh, we're looking good, y'all. Yo, we got so black.
No, we definitely did.
We all did. Look at me.
Yes.
I'm like
Let me
10
show
shades
y'all.
dark.
Ooh.
What time are you guys gonna wake up in the morning? Because we could probably
We could.
Has llegado a tu destino. Shit.
Oh,
Ah, blue.
the stairs. So we're at the excursion waiting for our group to go on the boat. It's so pretty. It is beautiful. So we're waiting right now to get on the boat. We just took some pictures. Right, Liz? Y'all, I sound like a dying. Like, I just sound crazy. I sound crazy. Right, Lizzo? I sound mad crazy. She said, She's like, what's happening? But yes, we're about to go on a boat ride. We're about to have fun. It's about to be lit. Bing, bada boom, bada bing.
Anybody walks close to the rail, please? So we gotta make a line before we board in.
It's fine. So not zip it, so we can put our stuff in it.
Hey guys, can I put your other side, 7 feet, just 2 again?
Shit.
How many people in your group?
Good morning, 3.
Mind if I see the number on your wristband?
We got to 4. Alright.
Okay, 4B, 4B. No?
It wasn't recording this full time.
No, it is.
That's crazy.
It wasn't on?
No. But we were saying that it was definitely giving a struggle bus, y'all. It was definitely giving a little bit of struggle bus because we had a good time. Hi. Like, look at the views. It's so pretty. We love it. video. They're lit over there. We're lit over here too. What's gonna be?
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy.
You ready? This is the piece that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot miss. Some whatever the lyric.